iBatis is a persistence framework which automates the mapping between SQL databases and objects in Java, .NET, and Ruby on Rails. iBatis makes it easier to build better database-oriented application more quickly and with less code. iBatis is a set of XML-encoded SQL map files, one for each database table, holds SQL templates that are executed as prepared statements, and map the expected results to Java domain classes. From application code, a layer of iBatis data access objects, or DAO, acts as the API that executes the SQL map templates and assigns the results to the corresponding Java domain classes. iBatis is one of the simplest persistence framework on date. iBatis facilitates fast development. iBatis can be implemented on any language or platform. iBatis provides database-independent interfaces. iBatis is free and an open-source software. Shown here are the simple steps that one has to carry out to install iBatis. Download latest version of iBatis from Download iBatis. Unzip the downloaded file to extract .jar file from the bundle and keep it in the appropriate library directory. Set path and class path variables at the extracted jar file appropriately. We are going to use JDBC to access the database DB. JDBC driver for MySQL is com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Connection URL is jdbc://localhost:3306/testdb. We would use both the username and password as root. Our SQL statement mappings for all the operations would be described in the employee.xml file. Based on the above assumption, we have to create an XML configuration file with the name sqlmapconfig.xml file. Now let us take a look at some of the differences between iBatis and Hibernate. iBatis is simpler, has faster development time, flexible, and much smaller in package size. Hibernate generates SQL for you, which means you don't spend time on SQL. It provides much more advanced cache and is highly scalable. iBatis supports stored procedures, inline SQL, dynamic SQL, and ORM tools.